Hello, in today's episode I'll show you how to manage return requests of your customers. Let's get to this tab. We can see them all listed in one place. Now let's pick the one that is still not resolved and manage it. Here is the list of the products that your customer would like to return. Sylius Plus module Advanced Returns Management allows you not only to refund as Sylius Standard does, but it also allows you to repair or replace the products. Here you can see that our customer wants these summer tunics to be replaced. Let's pick this solution. Then we can accept his request, but also Sylius Plus allows you to split the request. That means we can pick those two tunics and then pick them to be repaired, and the last one is going to be replaced. But since our customer wanted to replace all of them, I'm not going to accept that. Now let's proceed with the request. This is it.